What's happening, ladies and gentlemen? This is Min from Architecture Inspirations. Today I'm going to show you the new features in Enscape 2.8. Let's get started. Number 1. New assets. In Enscape 2.8, the library has been updated with more than 100 new furniture assets with improved textures, more than 70 new indoor plants, and especially a whole new collection with healthcare assets such as hospital furniture, medical tools, and even 3D people such as doctors and nurses. With these new assets, you can quickly create healthcare designs such as a hospital room, a surgical room, etc. Number 2. New animated trees. In Enscape 2.8, you can now get animated trees and grass with the new wind settings. The wind is also adjustable in the visual settings under the atmosphere tab, so you can adjust the wind intensity and direction however you like. If you have a water material in the scene, you can have a different wind amount for it by overriding the intensity in the material settings. With this new feature, now your exterior animations will look more lively and realistic. Number 3. New carpet material. Since all the grass material will be affected by the wind, there's now a new material for carpet. You can adjust it in the material type here. Similar to the grass material, you can adjust the height and height variation. Number 4. Collaboration mode. To use it, in the Enscape viewport, you can press the C key to open the collaborative mode. Then you can click here to create a new issue. Enscape will quickly render a preview image. Next, you can add a title and description for this issue, and here you can add a position. Alternatively, you can right-click a spot to set the position before creating an issue. Besides changing the position, you can also move the camera, then click here to change the preview image. As you and your team work through these issues, you can change the status from new to done, in progress, or removed. As you can see, this feature is a great way of working with your team through different design issues right inside of Enscape. And those are all the new features for Enscape 2.8. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Stay inspired, guys, and I'll see you next time.